تعود على أهمية الوقت.
Do not put off today's work until tomorrow, for tomorrow has its own worries.
Procrastination has no place where dedication and discipline exist.
Daily effort and respecting time are the keys to achieving goals.
Starting work on time and staying committed helps overcome challenges and achieve success.
Starting early, even a small daily effort counts. Make a timetable. Divide your study into short focus sessions. Break your work into steps.